Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to on app notification in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to on your app notification, so you can on your app notification in your vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you how to on app notification in vivo phone device. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to on app notifications. Guys, click on this notification and guys click on app setting, and guys click on this most recent tab here, and guys all apps. So you can see guys this all apps. So which app notification guys you want to on, guys you can on from here, like guys there's Facebook notification, guys this Gboard notification, Google Gmail notification, guys Play Store, Instagram notification guys you want to on. So guys you can on from here, guys you will have to click on this right side, then guys you can on your app notification from here guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on app notification in our vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.